Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Bigo Live app. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store or the App Store on your device. Then tap the search bar and type Bigo Live. Now tap Install. When the download is complete, open the app. And that's how you download Bigo Live app. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.